Hi everyone, this is Adam, and I quickly want to show you today a new feature that we've added to the stats software. As you might know, within the software, by default, we take the last 10 home and away matches respectively for each team, and then we compile a whole host of totals, percentages, averages and odds for you to use in your research. The reason for that initially was that after some pretty extensive testing, we found that recent form was the most reliable information to work from. We have had a couple of people question that idea, and others who have said that it would be quite kind of useful to be able to look a bit further back. And I agree, to be honest. For comparison purposes, it could be quite handy to do that. So basically, we've added a toggle to the software that will allow you to compile the stats based on the last 20 matches instead of 10. So let's have a look at it then. I'm in the stats software here on the stats software page of the website, looking at this League One game, and we're currently looking at the number of matches with each scoreline at full time. If I click the settings button here, I've got the option to change the number of matches to 20, and you can see that the totals have changed straight away as I toggle that option on and off. The highlights here on the left are changing as well because they're all now based on stats from the last 20 matches as well instead of 10. If I change from totals to percentages up here at the top, we can see the distribution of scorelines a bit easier as I toggle the option on and off. It's as simple as that, really. You can leave that switched on while you're browsing other matches if you want to. It'll stay activated until you turn it off. And of course, you can use this in your filters as well. So I've got a very simple filter here saved already on full-time nil-nils less than 10%. So if I click edit so that we can just see how the filter's built, you can see that down here, just after your league and date restrictions, you now have the option to use the last 20 matches instead of 10. So all you need to do really is select that when you save your filter, and your filter results will be based on 20 matches instead of 10. So if I sort these results lowest first, this top match here in Germany, there have been absolutely no nil-nil scorelines out of the last 20 matches each when Worms have been playing at home and Pirmasens have been away. So that's up to 40 matches in total without a single nil-nil, which could be quite a strong contender, to be fair, for a little later draw in play or something, depending on the price you can get during the match. When I click on one of the filter results, it automatically changes the setting here so that you can see the right figures on screen when you actually view that match. So that's it really, pretty self-explanatory all in all. It's literally just looking at the last 20 matches instead of 10. Have a go with it, toggle between the two, see how the results change. If you're not 100% sure about a trade, then it's always good to be able to look at it from a slightly different angle, and hopefully this will help to arm you with a bit more information. So thanks for watching and good luck.